Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make fluffy egg omelette. This is such a simple recipe using just a couple eggs, some seasoning and butter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's start cooking. For this recipe, I'm using 3 eggs. Carefully separate the egg whites and yolks in 2 separate bowls. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Whisk them well until smooth. Whisk the egg whites until they become foam. While whisking the egg whites, make sure your beater is clean or else you won't get that foamy texture. This is important. If you guys have an electric mixer, you can use it. This is the right texture. Add the egg yolks into the egg whites. Fold gently until fully incorporated. Do not overdo it or else it will deflate and separate. Heat up a medium-sized non-stick pan. Add a tablespoon of butter. Pour the egg mixture into the pan. Whipped eggs can deflate easily, so you have to fry it immediately. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Cover it up with the lid. Keep the heat on low for 3 to 4 minutes until fully cooked. After 3 minutes, lift up each side of the omelette and drop a dollop of butter underneath. After 4 minutes, gently fold it in half. Flip it to the side, cook for 30 more seconds. This will literally melt in your mouth, very different from a regular omelette. Fluffy egg omelette is ready. Serve it hot. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this video, do check out my other egg recipe, Spanish omelette. I will link to that video in the iCard above. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.